Hola. Are you dumb enough to buy an Echo chainsaw? Well, I was. And, brand new absolutely everything, right? Everything's new. Still won't fire off. Check it out. This is your coil. When the coil passes various points on the flywheel, it sparks. So one of the ways that I remedy that, those are magnetic. So if you just drag it back and forth, it'll clean the flywheel. And you spin it all the way around to the other side, do the same thing. And then, put it back to the magnetic side. Sorry. There we go. Sorry about that. And drag the sandpaper through to clean the coil itself. Oops. There we go. And just do that a couple of times. Back and forth. Bada boom, bada bing. Then you take a business card, leave it on the magnet side, put the business card in between the coil and the flywheel, and that's how you set the gap. Tighten down the screws. And I almost guarantee it'll fire. At least I pray it will. See ya.